I will describe the events table of Trace Compass. The events table is populated with the raw events coming from a trace or an experiment. In case of an experiment, the trace events are sorted by timestamp, and the events table shows all the events from each trace in chronological order. The events table consists of columns and rows, where each row is a trace event. Selecting a trace event will populate the properties view, where the information is shown in a tree table form. It also synchronizes with other views, so the time is synchronized in the other views as well. The events table has multiple columns. To know which columns, just right mouse click on the header and you see all the available columns. You can select or deselect columns depending on your interest. It's possible to show all or reset them to some default setting. The events table also provides a way to search for certain events. Each column has a search field. You can enter a regular expression which will be applied, and non-matching events will be dimmed, matching events highlighted. Using the Enter keyboard, you can search next. With Shift Enter, you search previous. It is possible to combine different column searches. So if you're interested in that case for scheduled on CPU 2, just enter another search string. It is possible to convert a search filter into a filter. Just use Control Enter and the filter will be applied. Now non-matching events will be removed. It is possible to remove filters from the filter bar. Just click on the X button and the thing will be updated. It is possible to export information of the table. For example, if you want to export or copy to clipboard, just select one or more events and select copy to clipboard. This information then can be pasted into a text file. Only visible columns will be stored in there. It is also possible by selecting right mouse and export the text to store the whole trace in a CSV file. And all visible columns will be shown. If there was a filter applied, only the matching events will be exported. It is possible to add bookmarks. If you found an interesting event, right mouse click on the left column, add bookmarks, enter some notes. And that will be stored into the bookmarks view, and there is a little bookmark icon visible. You can then go back if you're out of range by double clicking on the event in the bookmark, and the events table will navigate back.